We have the integration of cloud processing power and AI. As datasets get ever larger and AI gets ever more powerful, the days of spreadsheet-based energy audits may be coming to an end. Consequently, cloud-based tools and the use of AI for research to aid in quantifying opportunities are becoming essential tools for energy auditors. These technologies can analyze massive datasets, identify patterns, and help quantify savings opportunities much faster and also provide insights that might otherwise be missed. So to stay relevant, you need to be comfortable with cloud-based platforms and using AI-enabled tools, trying to use AI for your benefit in your energy audits. You should be developing skills in judging also the results provided, which may need to be refined, particularly when you're relying on AI. You can't trust it. But if you've got the intelligence and sufficient background understanding to query it effectively, you can get really good results from it. So the future belongs to auditors who can harness the power of data and automation and AI, whilst also having a deep understanding of the physics and thermodynamics of energy flows and how equipment uses energy. Now I want to look at the growing importance of energy storage and grid resilience. As renewables become a bigger part of an energy mix, the need for energy storage and grid resilience is becoming more and more valuable as grids get harder to manage, get more complicated as we have decentralization of generation. And energy auditors are now expected to assess not only how much energy a building uses, but how flexible it can be in its energy use and how resilient it is in the face of grid disruptions or price spikes. So you need to understand the roles of batteries, thermal storage, and demand response in modern energy systems. You need to be able to evaluate different storage technologies, model their impact, and recommend solutions that fit your clients' needs and budgets. And it's really important that you understand your local tariffs in your regions. So by staying up to date with the latest energy storage, grid resilience, grid interactive controls, and local standards and incentives, you can help clients future-proof their operations and maximize the value of their investments in renewables, energy efficiency, and storage. There's also an increased focus in health and wellness in buildings. The COVID-19 pandemic put a spotlight on indoor air quality and occupant health. And now energy auditors are sometimes being asked to balance efficiency with health outcomes. This means really having a good understanding of how ventilation, filtration, humidity control impact both energy usage and occupant comfort. You need to be more and more familiar with healthy building standards, indoor air quality monitoring, and the latest research on how building systems affect wellness. You'll need to provide guidance on how to optimize energy use without compromising health, and ideally, although it's not always possible, how to achieve both energy savings and health outcomes at once.